Okay guys, so how does this sound? You plug in your phone, you go to sleep, you wake up, and then you check your phone, and then boom, just a bunch of money sitting right there. Sounds too good to be true, right? Wrong. I'm about to show every single one of you guys how you can actually go ahead and just basically go to sleep, wake up the next morning, check your phone, and just get a bunch of cash waiting for you. So how exactly are we going to do this? Well, stay tuned, because yeah, we're gonna get right into that right after the intro. Let's go. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for me. Thank you guys so very much. And now with that being said, let's jump straight into today's video. Let's go. So what is this new passive earning app that we're talking about? Well guys, you're gonna go ahead and actually click that link in the description. Go ahead and download that app. That's the first step you guys are going to do just to actually get started. And yes, you guys will get a sign up bonus for clicking that link, so make sure you guys go ahead and sign up there. That way you guys can get a head start. So I know a lot of you guys will actually recognize this app right here called Feature Points. Now do not click off the video just yet. This is not what it usually is. And if you guys don't know what that means, basically guys, Feature Points just dropped a brand new update, and now you guys can actually play and earn, which by the way is a passive earning section for all of you guys to earn extra cash overnight just by sleeping or plugging in your phone. It's very simple guys. So once you've gone ahead and actually signed up, the next step is actually to scroll down to the play and earn section. And as you guys can see, the points per minute doesn't actually, you know, seem that all enticing compared to apps like CoinPop or FitPlay. Now here's the thing guys, you guys are still going to make a decent amount of money from this. Now as you guys can see, running this phone here just for about a day and a half, you guys can see we pretty much got a $5 USD redemption. We're about to actually redeem that today, and yeah, so it's really simple guys. All you have to do is actually go ahead and click on, you know, play and earn. Download the app from the sponsored page, which is right here if this thing will load. So if you guys don't know how to use this, it's very simple. All you have to do is actually go ahead and click play now, and this will redirect you to a Play Store link. And from here you guys are just going to download whatever app that it actually pops up. Now once that app has finished downloading, what you guys want to do is actually just click open directly from the Play Store, and this is going to actually open the app obviously. Next you guys are going to leave this app for about 10 seconds or so, and then you guys are going to go over back to Feature Points. Now back on Feature Points, what you guys are going to do is actually click the back button and then actually basically just allow it to reload. Now once you've done that, you guys can see we got brand new apps ready to download as well. And now as you guys can see, TikTok has been added to our list of installed apps. Now from here, all you have to do is actually just click play, and as you guys can see, now it is fully passive. Now technically guys, you don't have to play the app at all. All you have to do is literally just leave it like this. So we're just gonna go ahead and leave this app running for about a minute, and then we'll check back up once 1 minute is over. Alright guys, so 1 minute just passed. Now we're gonna go ahead and actually go back over to Feature Points and show you guys what actually happened if Feature Points will load. So there we go guys, as you can see we got 19 points just like that for running it for 1 minute. And there we go guys, so we got 3,013 points just like that for running that app simply, you know, for about 5 minutes or so. And now we can actually go ahead and redeem our $5 USD to PayPal. And here we go guys, we're actually going to go ahead and actually redeem $5 USD to our PayPal. So just click redeem reward, buy for 3,000 points, and now it is processing our reward. And there we go guys, so our payment is now processed and it should be in our account soon. Now this payment should be given to you guys through the email that you signed up with, so make sure you guys actually have a PayPal account linked to that. So guys, just throwing it out there, here's some payment proof. It's been about 2 hours since the last time we actually recorded, but right here you guys can see we just got paid from TapGen, aka Feature Points. And if we go over to our actual PayPal, you guys can see we just got paid $5 USD. Going over to the activity, you guys can see right here, TapGen Corp. There we go, September 10th, 5 Feature Points. So there you go. If you guys were wondering if Feature Points actually does pay, well, There you go. Also guys, there are a ton of different ways to actually earn with feature points. That's my preferred way of earning because it's passive, but you guys can always take surveys, actually like download the games and play them for a little bit and then, you know, get the points that way. Or you guys could get cash back, watch videos, and a lot of other ways you guys can earn with feature points. It's very simple guys, so make sure you go ahead and actually click that link in the description. That way you guys can get your sign up bonus today. Now before you click off this video, we're not done yet. If you guys don't know how to actually have your phone run all the time, because if it goes to sleep after, you know, 10-20 seconds, then it will be worthless because you won't earn any points. As you guys can see, my phone is actually going to sleep here. And how do you actually configure that so that it doesn't go to sleep? Well, we're going over that right now, so if you guys do want to see how that is done, then make sure to stay around. So the first thing you guys want to do is actually click on settings. That way you guys can go ahead and hit on general, scroll down all the way to about phone. Now under about phone, you guys want to go ahead and actually find software info. Under software info, tap your bill number 7 times in a row. So once you actually tap this 7 times, which I've already done so, then you guys will see, if you go back, and you guys will see something called developer options. Go ahead and actually click on that. Make sure you go ahead and actually enable stay awake, so when your phone is charging, it will never turn off unless you actually tell it to. Basically, if you click the off button, then it will shut off, but if you don't, well then it will stay on. And that is it guys, so go ahead and actually run feature points overnight and then get a few cash outs with PayPal and other gift cards if you want other gift cards. Honestly guys, there is a bunch of different gift cards if you are into that. If not, yeah, PayPal works the best for me, so I just obviously took the PayPal. If not, you guys can get Amazon cards or any other gift cards on there. With that being said, if this video did help you out, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, leave a like, and comment something random because why not. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Until then, thank you guys so very much for watching. Peace out for now.